any other use? I don't want to ask answers. Just raise up the hand and tell me. Now, what is it today? By show of hands, you raise up there. Don't give me correct answers.
My birthday is November 27.
Of November, year 2019. Okay? So today we are going to look at domestic animals kept at home. What is?
Domestic animals kept at home.
Domestic animals. We have cow. Good. Cow. Any other? Yes, Zahara. Goat. Sheep. Any other domestic animal? Any other domestic animal? Yes.
Dog.
Dog. Any other domestic animal?
Good morning. Good morning. How are you? How do you do? Sit down. Are you okay? Thank you. Because this one. Because this one. What is? P2. P2. What is science? What is science? Who can answer me? Who can speak? Who can tell me the answer? What is poetry? Poetry. You raise your hand. What is poetry? Yeah.
İnşallah hayırseverlerimiz bu böyle.
Rabbi
My name, I'm called Abdurrahman Chiola, a teacher from Kuba Islamic National Primary School, found in Kaliro District, in Kaliro Town Council. In Kuba here, we have so many problems, but let me first tell you the population we have in this school. Kuba Islamic National Primary School, we have a total number of pupils, around 350 pupils. Among those, we have the orphanages, others, they are orphanages. So we have problems. One, we don't have buildings on the school compound. We are lacking mosques. We are lacking water on the compound. So long as we are Muslims, we should use water. Next to that, we are lacking, because we have orphanages, we have to we found the problem in the school payment, so we need a support in that area. Another one, we don't have books, textbooks, both sides, especially in Arabic and the secular areas. Payments of teachers also is a problem. So long as we have orphanages in the school, payment is also in poor condition. So we ask for transport means also is a problem. Transport our pupils and other staffs. Another one, also books, exercise books in among the pupils is also a problem. So we need support. We need support from you to support this school, Kuba Islamic National Primary School. We don't have, so we want to construction buildings also is a problem. As we are seeing, we are still under temporary buildings, so we need support to have permanent buildings and so many others. Thank you, thank you.